Pyramids of numbers, and pyramids of biomass, are bar diagrams. They can be used to represent the flow of energy along trophic levels in a food chain. The example below shows how to draw a pyramid of numbers. On a small cabbage field, snails feed on cabbage and ducks feed on snails. There are 5 cabbages, 20 snails and 1 duck. First, we need to determine the roles of the organisms in the food chain. In this case, cabbages are the producers, snails are the primary consumers, and the duck is the secondary consumer. We often draw the pyramids on graph papers. But before drawing, we have to choose a suitable scale for the diagram. That is, to determine the number of organisms, or mass, that a single square represents. In this example, the width of 2 small squares represents 1 organism. Then, we can draw the bars. The bars should be of the same height, and placed in a symmetrical manner. Also, there should be no gaps between the bars. Label each bar with the number, or biomass of the organism, and the name of the organism. When drawing the pyramid of biomass, remember to write down the unit. Lastly, give a title to the diagram.